Hello, this is channel Learn Log, and in today's video we are going to discuss another question. Another question means third question. Third question of past paper Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Extended 10580 is the code and it's paper number 2. The reason I'm saying I will be uploading each question with the respective topic also, and then I will be uploading this paper with the collectively also. So see, I'm showing you this. This is the paper, and I'm going to solve question number 3 because question number 1 and question number 2 are solved in the previous videos. The link of that I will provide in the description. So let's start it. The question is quite easy. They're saying the stem and leaf diagram of shows the number of hours that each of 16 students studied last week. So find median, mode, and range. What is how first thing you should understand how to read stem and leaf diagram. 1 and 2. 1, 2 means 12, then 1 and 5, 15, then 1 and 6, 16, and then 1 and 8, 18. Then 2 and 0, 20, 2 and 1, 21, 2 and 1, 21, 2 and 7, 27, and then 29. How to know that? How to read it? See, in the bottom they will give you a key. Key means if a number is written like 1, this line, 2, it means this is 1 and 2 means 12 hours. So here is 32 hours, 33 hours, 34 hours, 35 hours. Then 44 hours, 45 hours, 47 hours. Okay. So they are saying find the median. Median is basically middle of the value, right? So here I don't need to count it because they already gave 16. Okay, each of 16 students. Okay, so these are 16 reading. If you have any doubt, you can count it. They will also be 16. 16 middle is 8. So let's start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It means this value is the 8th value and it will be my median. But 16 is the even number. So in median, you have to take care that whether it's the even number or odd number. Okay. So if it is even number, you take median like you take 27, 29, you add them and you divide it by 2. So you get 56 divided by 2, 28 is the median. Mod is the most frequent value. Most frequent value in this is only 21. So that's it. And range is basically difference between the highest value and lowest value. Highest value will be 47 and lowest value will be 12. So 47 minus 12, it's 35. Okay. Now the most important thing over here is in this question data was already arranged. Sometimes data is not arranged, so you have to take care. First, you have to arrange the data and then find the solution. In this channel, you will find all videos of physics, biology, chemistry, mathematics of O-level, A-level, Edexcel, Cambridge, GCSE in detail. So what thing you have to do? And you will be getting all lectures free of cost. So a little bit sacrifice that you have to do is to subscribe the bell icon to click the bell icon and subscribe my channel Learn Law so that you get each lecture first and you don't have to hire any personal tutor. You prepare all of the things from this channel. So if you have any topic that you want me to revise, you can comment below and I will revise that topic. See you in the next video. Bye.